Hello, you are welcome to my channel once again. My name is Lukman, and this channel is about how to make money the smart way and not the difficult way. But before we go ahead, if you have not subscribed, just subscribe now. Hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell so that when next we release money making videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And today we want to look at the 3 easy ways to make money online during this lockdown due to COVID-19. Let's get into it. 1, I want to implore you to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be revealing some secrets towards the end. So, and I don't want you to miss any part of it. So let's get into it. 3 ways to make money online. 3 easy ways to make money online during this lockdown period due to COVID-19. Number 1, I want to consider publishing your own book. I can hear you asking me, look man, but I cannot write. Fine, you don't need to know how to write, but you can still publish your own book. How? If you can write, fine, but if you cannot write, I'm going to tell you ways to get your own book published easily without you writing a single word. But let me just explain how it works. You want to publish your book on Amazing KDP. Amazing.com has a program called Amazing KDP. This Amazing KDP is simply known as Kindle Publishing, Amazing Kindle Publishers. If you get to amazing.com, click on Amazing Kindle Publishers and you see all the details on how to publish your own work. It's as simple as that. But you can, if you want more explanation, just go to Google or go to YouTube and type how to make money from Amazing Kindle Publishers, or how to publish my books on Amazing KDP, and you see lots and lots of video explaining how to do this. I've done this in a video before, in one of my videos before. I will link that video in the description button. Then number 2, you want to make money doing graphic design without even having any skill. You don't even need any skill to do graphic design and make money from it. And we'll talk about graphic design. We are talking about how to create a logo, how to design logo, how to remove background images from pictures, how to retouch photos, how to do brochure, how to do flip book. All these are very easy things to do. You can go into it, but first you have to sign up with Fiverr. Fiverr is the best and the easiest freelance site for beginners to go into. Just go to fiverr.com, and Fiverr is spelled Fiverr.com. Just go to Fiverr, sign up. When you sign up, it's self-prompting. You tell you what to do next. Once you sign up, just create your gig. Choose the particular one that you want to do. Either you want to do logo creation. You can even do between 3 and 5, but if you are starting, just start with 1 so that you can learn how it goes. But it's easy. I've done a video on how to create logo and the rest with Fiverr, how to make money with Fiverr. I will also link that below in the description. And the 3rd one that we are going to be looking at is Forex trading. I've also done a video. I will link that in the description below. Forex trading. You can easily make money from Forex trading, especially during this period. This is the best time for you because you have all the time. You are locked down. You are going nowhere. Just sit at home and learn, and you enjoy Forex trading. Forex trading is the simultaneous buying of foreign currencies online. You just buy one currency and sell the other. Euro USD, JPB USD, USD JPY. That is how to trade forex trading. But what I want to tell you, and the secret I'm saving for the last, is that all of these things that I've mentioned needs training. You have to do your research very well. But you don't have to pay for anybody. You have to pay to anybody to do all this research. They are there on Google. Just go to Google, go to YouTube. You have everything you need. Just type whatever you want. For instance, you can type how to trade forex for beginners, or how to make money on amazing KDP, or how to make money on Fiverr. That is as simple as that. So today I've told you three easy ways to make money online, even if you don't have any skill. By number one, you do you can publish your own book on amazing KDP. You can do graphic designs like logo designing and the rest. Then you can do forex trading online. So these are the simple, easy things you can do, especially during this period, and you can make a lot of money. By the time this period will be ending, this lockdown will be ending, you must have made a lot of money. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart.